Fullscript partners with leading specialty labs to bring modern, at-home testing to your patients, empowering them to complete testing with confidence and keeping you informed every step of the way. After you select and send a plan with specialty testing, your patient will receive an email. Within the email, there will be a direct link so they can go and review the tests and complete the checkout. If you've prepaid for their testing, they'll see their test details and next steps, just without the pricing, so you can bill them separately. Most test kits will ship directly from Fullscript's distribution centers, with options for standard shipping of 4 to 7 business days or priority shipping of 1 to 3 business days to best fit your patient's needs. Patients can track their shipment right from their Fullscript account from the same place they currently manage their supplement orders. When their test kit arrives, it includes everything they'll need: collection materials, clear instructions, a mostly pre-filled requisition form, and prepaid return packaging. Patients can also access their digital instructions anytime from their Fullscript account. For specialty tests that require a blood draw, Fullscript offers mobile phlebotomy through GetLabs, along with a network of independent phlebotomy options experienced with drawing for these types of specialty tests. After the patient collects their sample, returning it is simple. Each kit includes prepaid return packaging with clear mailing instructions for your patient to send their sample back to the lab. Need to ensure your patient's results are ready for their next appointment? From your team's lab's orders dashboard in Fullscript, you can monitor when their sample has arrived at the lab and begun processing to keep your practice's schedule on track. When results are ready, you'll receive an email. Clicking View Results gives you direct access to the same detailed results you'd received when ordering directly from the lab. Next, notify your patient by clicking Share Results with Patient. And you'll also have the option to add a personalized message to guide their next steps. Patients will then receive an email to view their test results securely from their Fullscript account. Throughout the testing process, Fullscript's world-class support team is ready to help. Whether your patients need guidance on their instructions, blood draw options, or requisition form, they can chat, email, or call our lab support team, so your practice stays focused on patient care.